Hey, this is Nick from Revizzit. First off, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to check out Revizzit. We appreciate your interest to learn more about this amazing system and hope to provide you with an exciting new opportunity for your online business. In this video, we're going to cover specific ways you can improve your existing products and increase your company's profitability by producing and delivering those products in Revizzit. We're also going to show you some real-world examples and discuss the inherent problems these digital products faced and how those challenges were overcome using Revizzit. And finally, we will show you blueprints for entirely new kinds of products that simply could not be accomplished without the secure, dynamic infrastructure of the Revizzit system. So, I'd like to lead off by giving you a formula for success that you can write down on a post-it note and stick it to your monitor. It's easy to remember because it bears some resemblance to Einstein's special theory of relativity. E equals mc squared. Our Revizzit product formula is just as simple, but no less important. mc equals e squared. This is the formula at the very core of the Revizzit philosophy. It's why your products will be better, your customers happier, and your conversions greater. It stands for more control equals empowered entrepreneurs. So what does that mean exactly? It means that when you make the rules and you have choices and you can be flexible about your content and design, then you are in control. And being in control of your product is very empowering. For example, if you were going to write a book, you might make several drafts and explore numerous layout ideas. You might have a hard time to decide what images to include or what the cover should look like. All concerns that will ultimately delay your project from getting released. Maybe even lead to never being released. Because once the book is printed, you are stuck with every decision, every typo, and can only hope that time hasn't already outdated your content. But in Revizzit, you are empowered to just get that product out there. It doesn't have to be perfect right out of the gate. Get feedback from your users, make changes, fix typos, try new covers, whatever you like as often as you like. And you can be assured that your content is never outdated. Then, just for the heck of it, pop in a new chapter for your customers from time to make them even happier. That is truly being empowered, and that's why mc equals e squared. Now let's explore some of the ways to get our products to fit that formula. We'll start by establishing your strategic design. By this we mean designing your product in a way that conforms to your desired goals for your customers. In other words, do you want to communicate to them on a regular basis inside the product? Do you want them to customize their product? Do you want to sell them additional content or promote other offers? Do you want your customers to network with each other? Remember to free your mind of the constraints that existed in old product types and embrace what your new product is capable of in Revizzit. Your strategic design considerations may include dynamic cover, publisher page, promotion pages, customization pages, social pages, and networking portals. Let's explore each of those topics in more detail. The dynamic cover. A great place to begin using your newfound superpowers is the cover of your product. When you change the cover, it changes all thumbnail instances as well. It now stands out in the crowd of your customer's Revizzit home screen. It's like changing your Facebook profile page. It catches the eye of the reader and creates interest in looking into your product. Nothing says product update like a fresh, exciting new cover. Another thing to keep in mind is that the cover, like any other page in your publication, is interactive. We've experimented quite successfully with placing a splash ad on the cover, a corner graphic for example, that was a hotspot that linked to a survey or other action we wanted all of our customers to see. And don't forget, when a product is open in Revizzit, the first thing anyone sees is the cover, particularly the upper third, depending on how their page scale is set. Every customer will see this area every time they open your product. It's your traffic leader. So don't let this important asset go stale. Be creative in using it with your promotions or to build more product awareness. The publisher page. The publisher page concept is powerful in action, yet very easy to implement. The idea is simple. Create a first page after the cover that is essentially a message from the publisher. Use that page to provide the customer with the latest news, product update information, and other bits of interest. We've all experienced this in many magazines that feature a From the Editor section, but here it's been updated to serve a richer purpose. Because Revizzit Studio makes it so easy to update a page in your product with only a few clicks, you can easily replace this first page often, weekly or even daily, to establish a revisiting pattern for your product. It's like a private blog just for your customers. Use this communication channel to tell your customers about upcoming events, such as in-product webinars, or announce the arrival of new content like bonus chapters, videos, or audio clips. You could even link to surveys or add promotional offers to the page, all without touching their email inbox. Then, utilize the ping button to alert the users that new content has been added, so they can find it quickly on their home screen. Promotion pages. Promotion pages are like full-page ads in magazines, with the added bonus that these ads can link to affiliate offers or other online events or purchases. Additionally, these pages are completely under your control and can be easily repositioned in your product from page 3, for example, to page 8, or completely replaced with new promotional pages. You can also strategize the placement of these pages for the greatest impact. Imagine a product that only had 2 pages, a cover and a portal page, consisting of buttons that lead to online content, such as videos, a chat room, a forum, etc. The predictable traffic pattern for this product would be cover, portal. Therefore, by occasionally inserting a promotional page in the middle, cover, promo, portal, the producer could be assured maximum exposure to their offer, and by tracking the results, could remove the page when its effectiveness waned. Customization pages, also known as upsell pages. The ability to add a new page that offers additional content to your product is a very powerful dynamic. By including a page that states something like, "Want to learn more? Click the link below to customize this product now." You empower the user to build out their product to conform to their specific interests. You can use this simple technique to add exclusive chapters, bonus interviews, unlocked areas like webinar access or chat rooms, exclusive video content, or even software downloads. And best of all, when the customer purchases the new content, the sales page or upsell page disappears and is replaced by the content they purchased. By the way, if this sounds familiar, that's because it's exactly the same technique we are using in Revisitor magazine to deliver the videos and bonuses. You are seeing the power of this in action as you customize this very magazine. And we've coupled it with our exclusive Revizzit secret code widget, which we'll discuss a little later. Social pages. Another interesting strategy is the use of social pages in your content. By default, every page of your product is view-only and secure. That means the customer can read it and interact with it, but cannot copy the text, print, or download the page. But by simply checking the download box for the page in Revizzit Studio, you authorize the customer to download an interactive PDF document of that page only. This page can then be shared online to give a glimpse inside your product, create a viral campaign, or just benefit the customer by allowing them to print the content. Used wisely, this can be a valuable asset for your brand awareness. Networking portals. Among the most intriguing ideas for Revizzit products is the notion that you can now create a community inside your product. Your product has a customer base of like-minded individuals, all sharing the interests that your product provides. You have brought these strangers together from around the world, united by your content, and Revizzit has made sure that no outsiders have access. In fact, you have created an exclusive club. The only thing missing is a door to connect these individuals. That is what a networking portal provides. Because of Revizzit's ability to isolate and shield content from the outside web and search engines, you now have a simple way to give your customers exclusive access to chat rooms, forums, webinars, even video conferencing right inside your product. This dramatically increases your product's revisibility by becoming a preferred destination. This can lead to more traffic, which lends itself to more upsell opportunities, and even turning your product into a full-fledged membership product with recurring fees.